The trouble code B210D in a Mitsubishi car means that some control modules in the system don't get a proper voltage level. In the majority of cases, the primary reason for this issue is the 12-volt battery being weak and low. After recharging and replacing the battery, things usually come back to normal, but before you invest in the new battery, check the old one. You need to charge it with the external charger till it's full, and then use a load tester, or just go to any good car parts store and ask them to load test the battery. If it reads low after charging, you just need the new battery. But the B210D code may also be set in various control modules when there are problems with connectors and wiring in the CAN bus system, so basically wiring issues in the car. These problems are much harder to inspect and solve. The first thing to pay attention to is which module stores the code. For example, if this is the SRS module, you may want to disconnect the SRS unit and reconnect it to see if this fixes the problem, but most likely you will need to inspect the battery connections, ground connections, and then the wiring that is connected to the module in question. Unfortunately, this is not a DIY job, and unless it's something obvious like a loose battery clamp or a corroded ground that you can easily see on your own, you will need a good car electrician to help you find the culprit.